Hey there, Dad. You really do deserve a standing ovation. Hey there, shoppers. Father's Day is just around the corner. And if you're looking for a gift that lets Dad express himself, we've got the perfect selection of shirts, hats, and more. No need to break the bank when you can get a piece of apparel that fits his unique personality. Whether he's a grill master, a dad joke aficionado, or a science nerd, we've got something that will make him feel like the MVP dad he is. So sit back, relax, and browse through our top picks. We guarantee you'll find something that will bring a smile to Dad's face. And don't forget, the best gifts come from the heart. So show Dad how much you appreciate him with the perfect apparel gift. Happy shopping, and happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Let's start with a funny one. This graphic tee features a periodic table design where the element symbols are replaced with dad-related icons like grilling tools, fishing rods, and beer mugs. It is perfect for any science nerd dad who also loves to barbecue or unwind with a cold one after a long day. Plus, the relaxed fit and comfortable fabric make it ideal for casual wear. So whether he's going out for a Father's Day brunch or taking the family to the amusement park, this shirt is sure to get some laughs. And hey, why not use this as an opportunity to educate your dad on some science facts? Tell him about the element number 82, lead, or point out the symbol for gold, which happens to be one of his favorite things. It's a win-win, but if you're looking for something a bit more sentimental, check out this custom t-shirt from God Merch. These personalized tees allow you to add names, nicknames, or special messages, making them a unique and thoughtful gift for any dad or grandpa. Whether you want to shout out the best dad ever or grandpa, these shirts are a great way to show some love. The soft cotton blend and classic design make them comfortable to wear for any occasion. And with multiple customization options, you can really make the shirt your own. Imagine the look on your dad's face when he sees a shirt that celebrates him in such a personal way. It's sure to bring a smile to his face and warm his heart. Now, if your dad's more of a hat guy, this dad hat is a stylish and sentimental choice. This hat is ready to gift in an elegant box, making it a hassle-free option for those last-minute shoppers out there. The adjustable fit and classic look make it a versatile accessory that he can wear on any adventure. Whether he's going on a hike or just running errands, this hat is a must. And with the premium gift box, it's a great option for those who prefer something a bit more low-key. Just imagine the surprise on his face when he opens the box and finds a hat that is specifically designed to celebrate him. It's a small but meaningful gesture that will make him feel loved and appreciated. Last but not least, let's not forget about the Grillmaster Dad. This funny cooking apron from Apparel is perfect for any dad who loves to barbecue. With large pockets, an adjustable neck strap, and a hilarious printed design, this apron is both functional and fun. The spacious pockets are great for holding grilling tools or other barbecue accessories, while the adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit. And let's not forget about the funny print that is sure to get some laughs from your guests. It's also durable and easy to clean, making it a practical and thoughtful gift for any dad who loves to cook. So this Father's Day, give your dad the gift of comfort and style with an apron that is as unique as he is. And there you have it, folks. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there. You may also want to check out some of our other videos.